Happy Seafarers Day, and on behalf of Goa Marine Engineers and Deck Officers Group, I congratulate Captain Benzi Vegas to have become the first master mariner or a captain of a ship who has become elected representative, and I wish him all the best. It's a very great moment of pride that Captain Benzi, whom I know from many years, has done a fantastic job of representing maritime concerns, which is a big field in Goa itself, because we have a very big history of maritime culture in our Goa. And what we need to do is that collectively use our experience and his guidance and his ability as a legislator to put forward a lot of demands that or aspirations that people of Goa in the maritime field have. Many of them have been appraised to him, and we have given him representation and also to the CM sir, which he knows much better. And the first point is entrepreneurship, opportunities, career options, and industry and academia interaction, plus industry interaction for more job opportunities. First of all, job. Everybody needs a job and a secure job. Then the other issues like health insurance and health concerns and health facilities. These are the points which we have raised, and I expect Captain Sir to follow it up in the assembly, and so far he's been doing a fantastic job, and I wish him all the best, sir.
म्हज्या सगळ्या गोंयकारांक आय विश अ हॅपी सिमेन्स मरीटायम डे. आज म्हाका एक गर्व कशें दिसता जेन्ना आमचो एक एक्स तारोटी एक कॅप्टन व्हडल्या पोजिशनाक आसोनूय बी जी तारोट्यांचें जें उदरगत जावपाचे सुवातेर जे आमी सोकला पडल्यात ते आपले व्हडल्या कॅप्टनशिपाचें टॅग सोडून ते पॉलिटिकाक आयलो म्हणून, कित्याक तूं कितेंय तरी तारोट्याक पासत कितेंय तरी गोंयकारां पासत करूंक तो आज आमचे विधानसभेंत भितर पडलेलो आसा. देखून आमी ताका काळजांतान देव बरें करूं म्हणटात. तो पयलोसून झगडटा, आतांय झगडटा आनी हाच्या मुखारूय झगडटलो. भाव भयणींनो, एक तारोटी म्हणल्यार एक सादी वस्त न्हय. एक आपलें घर सोडून आपले फामील सोडून पोटार वचप, आनी तें जाल्यार न्हय लँडाचेर, ते उदकाच्या लाराचेर, इट्स अ बीग चॅलेंज. आनी आज तारोटी जी सॅक्रिफायस जी केल्ली आसा, जी आपली GDP गोंयची तशीच इंडियेची वाडयल्ली आसा, ती सरकारान म्हाका दिसता म्हज्या प्रमाणे कांयच न्हय भाशेन केल्लें आसा. तारोटी म्हणल्यार एक सोंपी वस्त न्हय, आनी तारवट्यांक ह्या सरकारान तितलो मान दिल्लो ना. देखून हांव मागता सरकारा लागीं जी आज आमची चर्चा जाल्या, आमच्या वेंजी बाबान आमकां आपयल्यात, बसूया.
Very heartfelt thanks for Captain Benzi for organizing this unique event. And itli Seafarers Day zale apun something like Seafarers Charcha is something unique, and it has produced lot of fruitful discussions. The experience who are all sitting here are, I think, way past 20 years out at sea, shore experience. So it has all come together and they have put up their points. Some very important points which were put up is regarding the cruise industry, where our boys are only going in that hospitality, utility department, and when there are so many other options, where Captain Benzi has said that he is going to create awareness amongst our people out here so they can use this opportunity and get some good job opportunities on cruise liners. So again, I would like to thank Captain Benzi, who being in this profession earlier has kept our hopes alive, and he is doing the best he can at his level, being on the other side now, but he is still with his community. And this is really a unique Tarvottianchi Charcha, Corona. We might be talking, having big events, but this is something which is going to help the rest of the people from Goa to avail shipping as their career. Yeah, thank you, Captain Benzi.
From the cruise background, आमच्या जायत क्रूज शिप्सांचे वयताय. पूण कितलो जाय ते हॉटेला सर्टिफिकेट घेता वयताय आनी तेंगा जायना. हांव हायर सेकंडरीज हॅव कोर्सीस, वोकेशनल कोर्स आहा तेंगा केटरिंग आनी हाचो. So if government connects directly to the companies, they direct and हें करून जाता. That government has done. ते एक 12 केलो मरे ते मागीर तेंगे they on their own.
It's only the seafarers' sacrifice which has continued the shipping industry. It's only the sacrifice. You see the storms and cyclones and lot of accidents, incidents happening on board. It's all the seamen, seafarers' sacrifices which we have contributed. Only sacrifices.